In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Google Tag Manager in Webflow. So this is actually quite simple. You first want to go to Google Tag Manager, which is found by simply typing that into Google, as you can see over here, Google Tag Manager, and you want to open this up. And then what you want to do is click Create Account over here, and then you want to name this account. So I'm going to name this Instant How To. Of course, you want to name it as it is. You want to select your country over here, and then sharing that anonymously isn't really important, so you can skip this if you want to. And then under container name, you want to put in your site. So I have this site I created over here, and I'm going to put it in here. So as you can see, it cannot contain these HTTPS's, okay, over here. So I'm going to remove this. There we go, and it's now working. And then the target platform can be whichever you select. Of course, whatever you have. For us, it's going to be web. Click web and press create. Now, once you've done this, you of course want to accept the data processing terms, and then you want to click yes. And then once that starts saving, as you can see, you will automatically be given this kind of code, and it says copy the code below and paste it onto every page of your website. It says paste this code as high in the head of the page as possible, and now I'll show you how to get into the head inside Webflow. Of course, it's different in each and every single website builder, but in Webflow, it's as I'm going to show you right now. So there we go. You want to copy this by clicking this copy button, okay? Over here, there we go. It says the snippet has been copied, and you want to go over to your Webflow dashboard. In here, where you have your sites, I made a tutorial site over here. You want to click those three dots next to your site and press Settings. In here, at the very bottom left, it says Custom Code. And now once you open this, of course, you will have to have a plan. So I have a free plan on this account right now, and I can show you this. However, essentially what's going to happen, head code is going to appear over here, okay? And all you have to do is simply paste what we just copied at the very top of that head code. So that's literally it. That's all you have to do. And then you want to press Publish for changes to take effect, and that's literally it. So by doing that, you have successfully installed Google Tag Manager into into Webflow. So there's one more thing though. If you want to do it in another, as I said, in another website builder, what you have to do is essentially copy this and just Google how to do it. So how to basically paste code into head of that page on that web builder, and yeah, they'll show you how to do it, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.